What's going on, the truckers? Welcome to the Asia Mai Show. Hopefully, you guys are safe and well. With that said, I hate to give out the POS award of the day, possibly the month, but this award goes to Jose Perez. And the reason why I'm giving this man this award is because there was a road rage incident on the I-24 in Nashville, Tennessee.
Road rage along I-24 East has landed one man behind bars. It happened Saturday night. Police say 29-year-old Jose Perez collided with another vehicle and came to a stop.
Where a semi-truck driver and a four-wheeler got into a little accident. Right at that point, you would think they would just exchange paperwork and that's it. No. What does Jose Perez do? He whips out a piece and he blasts the semi-truck 4 times. 3 at the driver door and 1 that hits the windshield. Luckily, Jose is a bad aim, but the one that went through the windshield shattered the glass and it got on the truck driver's face. But he has minimal injuries and he's going to be okay.
The truck's cab and driver's side door.
But all I have to say, man, is what a POS. And the reason why I say that is because, look, I'm not saying the truck driver started or didn't start it. But what I will say is detectives and investigations asked him, what were you trying to do? And he honestly said he was trying to hit the truck driver and he's mad that he missed.
Perez telling detectives he was aiming at the driver.
I mean, what a POS. You know, all you mother truckers, be safe out there, man. I'm not here to always share crazy news. I'm just here to let you guys know that these things are happening and you have to take care of yourself and you have to be safe. You know, if you can, move on. If you can, slow down. You know, as a professional truck driver, I know sometimes the blood boils and the emotions boil, but these people out here are crazy, man. And I want you to get home to your family. But Jose Perez, definitely, I'm going to send you that damn award. They gave him bail of $75,000. Honestly, I hope he can't pay that because what a piece of shit, man. Honestly, I hate it. But that's how I got to feel about it because, you know, why do you have to take it 0 to 100?